Hello everyone, let's talk hormones. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Asad. Today we talk hormones. They are super important. They run much of your body like tiny busy managers working behind the scenes. They do so much for us. Let's learn all about them. Why care about hormones? That's a very good question. They affect your daily mood. They control your energy levels. They manage your body's growth, even how well you sleep. Understanding them is key. It helps you stay healthy. So, what will we cover? We'll start with the basics. What are these hormones? What important jobs do they do? We'll meet some major ones and discuss common imbalances, what happens when they're off, and how we can fix them. Don't worry about hard words. I will keep it simple. This information is for you, so everyone can understand. Get comfortable and listen. Let's explore this amazing topic. Hormones are truly fascinating. You will learn a lot. So, what are hormones? Think of them as messengers. They are special chemicals. Your body makes them naturally. They travel in your bloodstream. They go to specific targets. These targets are organs, tissues. They tell these parts what to do. Where do hormones come from? They are made by endocrine glands. These are very special organs. Examples include the pituitary gland, also the important thyroid gland, and the busy adrenal glands. The pancreas is one too. Ovaries and testes also make them. The endocrine system is precise. It's all about good balance. Glands release these hormones. They must release the right amount at exactly the right time. Too much is not good. Too little is also a problem. It's a delicate, smart dance. Imagine a complex phone network. That's your endocrine system. Hormones are like the signals. They ensure all body parts work. They help them work together like a well-rehearsed orchestra. Every instrument plays its part. This keeps you healthy always. Let's meet some hormone celebrities. First up is insulin. Your pancreas makes this one. Its main job? Blood sugar control. It helps your cells take in sugar. This sugar is used for energy. Without enough insulin, sugar stays high. That's not good for your body. Next, meet thyroid hormones. Your thyroid gland makes these. We often call them T3 and T4. They control your metabolism. That's how your body uses energy. They affect your normal heart rate. They also influence body temperature. They keep your engine running well. Ever feel a rush during stress? Thank adrenaline for that feeling. Your adrenal glands release it. It's for fight or flight moments. Your heart beats much faster. Your blood pressure goes up. You feel more alert quickly. Cortisol is another stress hormone. Let's talk about sex hormones. Testosterone is key for males. It helps develop male traits. It builds up muscle mass. It also affects your libido. Estrogen is primary for females. It handles female characteristics and important reproductive health. Progesterone helps with pregnancy. Section 4. When things go off balance, common hormone hiccups. You know, sometimes hormone levels just go wrong, and this is what's called a hormonal imbalance. It means there's too much hormone, or well, it could mean there's too little. This imbalance can disrupt many body functions, kind of like a recipe made wrong where the final dish just won't be right. Many factors can cause this issue. Take diabetes, for example. It's a common one and involves the hormone insulin. In type 1 diabetes, there's less insulin because the body doesn't make enough. In type 2, the body doesn't use it well. Both types lead to high blood sugar, which needs careful daily management and affects millions of people. Hypothyroidism is another example. This means an underactive thyroid, where the thyroid gland isn't active enough and doesn't make enough hormones. This slows down your metabolism, and you might feel tired or gain weight. On the flip side, there's hyperthyroidism, which is an overactive thyroid gland. Then there's polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS. This condition affects many women and is an imbalance of hormones, specifically reproductive hormones. It can cause irregular periods and small cysts on the ovaries. For men, erectile dysfunction can occur, and sometimes it's linked to low testosterone. Section 5. Listening to your body's signs. You might have a hormone imbalance. Your body often gives you clues, signs that hormones might be off. These symptoms can be different and vary for every single person. Some signs are quite obvious while others are much more subtle. It's really important to listen well and not ignore persistent changes. Have you noticed changes in your weight? Unexplained weight gain can be a sign, and so can unexpected weight loss. This might point to thyroid issues or problems with your insulin. Your appetite might change too. You could feel hungrier all the time or lose your appetite sometimes. How's your mood been lately? Hormones greatly affect emotions. Are you feeling irritable more often or anxious or even depressed? Difficulty concentrating is also a sign. Think about PMS in women or mood changes during menopause, both linked to hormone shifts. Are you always feeling tired? Persistent fatigue is a big one, even if you get enough sleep. Trouble falling asleep at night or staying asleep all night? These sleep disturbances are key and can be hormone-related. Your energy levels might dip as well. Section 6. Getting back on track, treating hormonal imbalances. Here's some good news for everyone. Many hormonal imbalances can be treated. The first step is very crucial, and that is to get a proper diagnosis. So, please see your doctor. They can run important tests and figure out what's wrong. Don't try to self-diagnose. Medications are often quite helpful. For example, hormone replacement therapy, also known as HRT, can help with menopause symptoms or low testosterone levels. People with diabetes may need insulin, and thyroid medication helps with hypothyroidism. These drugs help restore balance. Lifestyle changes make a huge difference too. What you eat really matters, and a balanced diet is always key. Avoid too much processed food and manage your sugar intake. Regular exercise helps hormones, and stress management is also vital. Try yoga, meditation, or walks. So, hormones are tiny but mighty. They control so much in our bodies. When they're balanced, we feel great, but when they're off, we notice it. Remember the signs we discussed, and if you're concerned, please talk to a doctor. Early detection really helps things. Stay healthy and informed, everyone. Subscribe at Asad Saleem 1414.